latest tech update. If you use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge as your browser, be aware because criminals are targeting you with the new malware attack. This is called Cloud9. It's a fake browser extension. It can be installed on your machine if you fall for a realistic looking but fake Adobe Flash Player update. And it could cause you and your company a nightmare. It can break into online accounts and log your keystrokes to steal passwords. Now, scarily, it can also recruit your machine into a botnet. That's a network of hacked devices all working together to infect others. Now, attacks like these are hard to spot, but make sure you switch on enhanced protection in your browser's privacy and security settings. And if you need any help with your online security, get in touch. That's it for this week's tech update.